Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Oh my god, like long time no see and long time no Temu video. I'm so excited for today's video because I am going to be sharing my latest Temu purchases, reviewing them, telling you if I'm keeping or returning, and comparing them to the Amazon expensive version because there's like a couple of things that I got that are double or triple the price on Amazon, which is crazy. I'm also going to be doing like what I ordered versus what I got, so it's a fun one today. I'll have my Temu discount code below if you've never downloaded the app. This is just all my own money, my honest opinion. Even if I was sponsored by Temu, I would still give you guys my honest opinion. So excited to get into it. I'll leave my Temu playlist down below, subscribe for more, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into it. I swear you guys, this might be one of my favorite Temu hauls. I just can't believe how many good things I found for the price, obviously, but the quality is also great. So starting off here, I've been really skeptical of ordering Temu makeup until now, and I am so surprised. Tell me this doesn't remind you of Benefit Cosmetics. This was $6. Comes in 2 different shades, so I'm starting to think I ordered the one for darker skin because a lot of these shades are darker, but the quality is incredible. Back when I was in college, I used to buy these fake nails from Shein, and honestly they were terrible quality. They wouldn't last. I decided to try them out from Temu. They're a little longer than I usually go for and a little more pointy, but I'm gonna try them out since, as you can tell, my nails are natural right now and they look terrible. So okay, nail update. I was able to cut them and they actually look pretty good. I got a few cosmetic bags. This one I love this print. I am really loving anything blue and white, which is so unlike me. This was $3 and the quality is unreal, and I love the fact that these like stunning clever lookalikes are everywhere now, but on Temu they're dirt cheap. These come in a 2-pack. I got both the white ghost and then the little pumpkins. These also come in a 2-pack, and then I got all of these. So excited about those. These came with like a little sewing kit, which was random, but these seem to be like iron-on patches. So the scarf was really cute, but I don't know if these colors are very me. They're very classy, but I don't know if I'm loving the color combo, so I think I'm gonna return and get a different one, but it does look pretty much identical to the picture, and you know that what brand this reminds me of. Also returning this phone case. It's just not my favorite. I don't like the color combination that much. I'm actually keeping this one that I got also from Temu. It's so pretty. It's that like blue and white, and then I also got this one from Temu. It was only 79 cents. On Amazon you spend $14 for one. I bought one Evil Eye phone case, and then all I got was Evil Eye recommendations. This is a patch. I'm gonna use it for a denim jacket. It was like $3 and it's so fun. You guys know I love Evil Eyes. Then I got this clip. It's a star and it looks so pretty in the hair. I love the two-tone pink. It was very inexpensive. A few of my best friends are pregnant actually, but I got this to put in a little basket for one of them. It's a wooden little arch. Y'all, these go on Etsy for $20 to $30, which is insane. This one just says hello world, and then it has like this stamp so you can like customize it however you want, like the corresponding month for pictures. I thought this was perfect for her. Like, it's more simple even if it's a boy or a girl, and this was $5. Then another one of my friends who's also pregnant wanted me to try out some of their bamboo stuff since I have experience with like Kai Baby and more expensive brands, so I got this for $4. This one is ribbed. It's 95% bamboo, 5% spandex. So this is a great, very affordable option. Got another one of these bamboo pajamas for my bestie. She still doesn't know if she's having a girl or a boy, so I just got her this one. It's pretty gender neutral. This was only $8, but they don't have a ton of options, so they either had like pinks or cars, so I got her this Disney one. It has the fold-up little footies and then the fold-up mittens, and it just feels like Kai Baby, y'all. It's crazy. This one is again 95% bamboo and then 5% spandex. Anyway, I got this shirt. It's crochet and so pretty for only $4. I love this. I feel like Zara would try to sell me this for like $30. These are those faux books that I get from Amazon, but they're $5 on Temu each. I got one of these before I got the one from Amazon, so I'm gonna return this one, even though it's very cute and a little better because it has actual pictures, but the letters on the spine are not as good as the other one. I'll show you in a second. And then I am keeping this in Morris one. I think it's really cool, even though the letters match, but let me show you. The original ones have the country right here, and then this one obviously doesn't, so it kind of bothers me that it doesn't really go. But I'm still gonna keep this one. I think it's cute. I'm gonna return the Mikoto's one. I told y'all that I've been trying to grow my collection of like party plates, like special occasion themes and things like that, so I found a ton. These I think I'm gonna return just because they are not as big as I would want them to be, and they're not necessary right now. These, however, are so great for an under the sea or ocean themed or even mermaid party. I'm obsessed. As well as these ice cream set. It comes with a ton of cutie pastel colors. I love these. So you get 8, I believe, for like $2 or $3, which is such a steal. I'm just so excited for these. I found some unicorn plates at Home Goods that usually retail for like $12, and I think I got them for like $5. These were $3 and they are just as cute. Definitely keeping these. These, as cute as they are, I think I'm gonna return just because the gold detailing is a little too brassy for me. I know that's so specific, but technically I don't need these. These I originally wanted for Olivia's birthday, but I realized that this like very light peachy pink does not match the color story, so I'm gonna return these and try to find a purple or a brighter pink. And lastly, I think for plates, we have this citrus set that I thought was perfect for like a summer gathering, for like a quick little disposable plate, but they're still so darn cute. So this, I'm gonna try to take some acetone and remove the delicious and the baking, and maybe put candy or treats inside. I thought this would be cute for like a party. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these for Olivia's party, but I'm definitely keeping. A few more party supply things. I wanted to get some options for cake toppers. Got this one. This is more so giving like Disney princess than base, but I'm still gonna keep because it's so cute. This is so versatile. You can use it for so many things. It came with the little pom-pom too. And then I have all these little pom-poms that kind of look cool with the hollow, and these are for her birthday. This is supposed to be an ashtray. I don't smoke. No one in my house smokes, so instead I'm gonna use it for jewelry to hold like little rings and stud earrings. I just thought it was kind of cool. I like kind of funky decor for my office. I thought this was perfect to have by my desk. Got some more lashes. These are a little less full than what I usually go for. I just like when they're a little bit thicker, like the hairs, but I kind of like how they come individual and they look a little bit more natural. So I got all of these for like $3. And then I got another one of these applicators. They're so nice to have, and it's always nice to have two just in case the other one has glue or something. It's just nice. This is a twofer, like Jackie from the Morning Toast says. So I got these headphones from Temu. They were, I think, $9, and y'all, honestly, they're not like the best quality headphones. They're definitely plastic, and not even that, the audio is not great. However, I'm trying them out to see if they're worth it, because for like $10 it's not bad. And then I found this pack of silicone covers for the Air Maxes. They were only like $2 or $4, which is crazy. They come in a bunch of colors, but I did order a second pair of headphones that was a little bit more expensive. It was $19 to see if the quality of the audio is better. Got some clothing, and honestly I am a little disappointed. Amazon had both of these sets for almost $40 each. I decided to get the Temu version. I'm assuming they're the exact same, but these are just so ill-fitting. These shorts look like they could fit Olivia. They're so like teeny tiny. I do like the colors and I do like the top. I actually think quality wise it's not bad, but the fit is just completely off. It's obviously returning. Then these shorts are a little better, but because the top is like a crop top, it just doesn't look super flattering on me. And as you can tell, the seam is a little off. It just looks like this is going to pull apart at any moment. So I also decided to return this. But if you've been wanting kind of like trendier Amazon clothing, Temu has them for like half the price. And then this one I saw on Amazon for almost $20. On Temu it was $8. But it does make me wonder if the Amazon one might be better quality. This is just like a printed on design, whereas I like more of these like leather ones. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it. I might order the Amazon one, compare, and then keep the better quality one. I initially got these for Olivia so she could put all her like color pencils and things like that in her playroom, but the quality has proven not to be toddler friendly. Basically they come like this, and she already broke the yellow one. So I have these, the blue and the pink somewhere. I don't know if I should keep them in her playroom, maybe just hot glue gun them together, or if I should just either return while they're still intact or use them for something else. Let me know if y'all have any ideas. But these fluctuate in price so much. They are supposed to be 97 cents, but they go up to $2, so do not overpay. I already have these in the pink, but I've been eyeing the white. They were out of stock. It just says yeehaw. I wish they were like flipped, but it's fine. I'm gonna wear them on the opposite ears. But y'all, how cute are these for like a country concert, cowboy boots outfit? I think they're so fun. However, I did get this for my husband. I thought it was kind of cool. It's like a dollar coin ring, and he absolutely hated it. He said it looked cheap and that it wasn't his style, so I will be returning this. I'm sorry, it's barely focusing. I got these. These are some 3-tier cake stands or little food stands. That is what they look like. They look pretty nice, and I like how compact they are. I do wonder if they'll last more than one use, but they were only $5. I'm returning the silicone sleeve because it is too wide for my Stanley. I think this would be better for a hydro flask or a thicker bottom water bottle. I'm returning this too. It was meant for my bulk bag from Temu, but I don't need this specific one. I wanted it to hold my phone, and then I found a better one. Sadly, I'm also returning these super cute car coasters because they are a little too small for my car. If they were a tad bigger, they'd be perfect for, like, they're so cute. And they're like actually like ceramic or something, and the print is adorable, but definitely returning these. And then this bow I'm keeping. It gives me all the Cinderella vibes. I love wearing bows for like special occasions, so I'm keeping this. I got a ton of these plastic table covers. I'm gonna do a DIY garland situation. I'll show you guys, but this is for Olivia's birthday. I know I could just go to a dollar store and find these, but I don't know about y'all's dollar store, but mine has nothing. It's always like sold out of everything, so I thought I was better off just buying them on Temu. They were like $1 something, so not too bad, but also not cheap. I expected them to be 50 cents, and they weren't. But hopefully these all work out. They had a ton of colors, and I also picked up some metallic ones for a little accent. And then I got some of these. I thought they'd be good for Olivia's party, and just to have, I like the colors. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Let me know if you guys like this format by giving it a big thumbs up. I did one not too long ago, and you guys seem to love this like quick form review instead of just like dragging it out a little more. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I think that's everything I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.